Frustrated with the Graphics Hook 64 DLL pop-up blocking OBS Studio? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin our Graphics Hook 64 walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Graphics Hook 64, the OBS Graphics Capture Hook 64-bit. It manages the localized memory address hooking required to intercept the localized DirectX or OpenGL frame buffer of a running game. It facilitates the localized real-time copying of video frames into the OBS rendering pipeline. Failure results in a black screen during localized game capture. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error usually appears when required graphics runtime components for Graphics Hook 64 are missing. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX libraries, then update your graphics drivers if the DLL is GPU compute-related. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Graphics Hook 64 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Graphics Hook 64 DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Graphics Hook 64. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Graphics Hook 64 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.